Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Vivo V21e to an Android device. You need to start by opening Play Store on both and installing free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. In order to use it, you need to set it up. To do that, do exactly the same on both devices. Firstly, tap on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, just tap on Not Now and click on OK. You can also not click Not Now and just tap on OK if you wish to receive notifications about new updates. Nextly, select Send at the bottom left corner of Vivo and receive next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, click on one of those options to set up the best one for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then tap on Close this window and go back to Vivo. You can finally tap on all of those categories located at the top. In them, you can tap on this type of dot at the top left corner to pick multiple files at once, or just click on the chosen ones. I will go with this one photo. When you're ready, click on Send next to select it. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you wish to scan this QR code, click on this scanning icon above User Guide on an Android. Then tap on While Using or Only this time and point your device's camera at the code. You can also just input this key in Input Key section and connect thanks to Receive button. So when I click on it, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!